To practice a cat stretch exercise, start in all-fours position with your knees hip distance apart, roughly underneath your hips, and your hands slightly further forward than your shoulders. Lower your shoulders away from your ears and then look in between your hands. Engage your core, keeping your back nice and straight into neutral position. Then, as you exhale, round your pelvis and roll your tailbone underneath. Gently move your back into the C-shaped curve position, moving your mid and upper back up towards the ceiling. Hold for deep inhalation, and then slowly lower your chest, lower your tummy down towards the ground into neutral position. Inhale to hold your back nice and straight, and exhale to cow, tucking your tailbone and pelvis gently under, rounding your lower, mid and upper back, pushing yourself up and away from the ground. Inhale, hold, and exhale, slowly lower down. So your gaze gently moves from in between the hands position as you round your back towards your knees. Hold, and then slowly lower back down. But your neck and head will just follow the movement of your back. Start with your pelvis, lower back, mid back, upper back. Hold for a deep inhalation, and then slowly lower back down into nice and neutral position, and hold. If you enjoyed this class, please like and share this video with others and subscribe to our channel for more workouts like this. We would love to hear about your experience too, so please leave a comment below. Thank you very much. Your feedback means a lot to us. Have a lovely day.